Hi guys, I'm Nicole, the camping chick over here at Worldwide RV in sunny and warm Mesa, Arizona. This is Penny, our camping dog, also a great co-pilot. Today I want to show you our 2023 Jayco Swift. Folks, this is a fantastic little motorhome. It's got a 3-liter V6 engine. Now this thing can get you just about anywhere you want to go, for a long weekend or short little trips. It's equipped with an onboard generator, solar power, nice little TV. You're set. Okay, up front in the cab area, great visibility, automatic transmission, swivel leather seats, very adjustable. You've got a great display screen, backup cameras, side view cameras. Very user friendly with Jayco. Kitchen area offers great workspace. You've got a nice 3 cubic foot refrigerator, kitchen sink, 2-burner stove, and microwave with lots of counter space. Check this out. Drawer space. You're set. The Jayco Swift finishes are beautiful. You have European style cabinetry, soft touch seating, along with blackout shades. So back here, you've got sleeping for 2 people. Now this can be 2 separate sleeping areas, or you can put it together as one big sleeping area. Okay guys, now you might really be into nature, but if you're really into nature, you've got this giant wet bath in the back. You can swing those doors open, take a shower with the birds. You've got fantastic storage. The 2023 Jayco Swift has so much more to offer than what I showed you. Come on in, let's take a drive and talk about where you're going on your next adventure. I'm Nicole, the camping chick. Look for Penny, our camping dog, at Worldwide RV, 4660 East Main, Mesa, Arizona. See you later.